With that, we're going to take a look at another problem from today. We're actually going to go back to the target round and take a look at number 4. For target 4, we have Michael works at Ruben Types Tacos, but he wants to have Italian food at his birthday party. He visits Ristorante de Excelente to order calzones from Ian. Ian tells Michael that an experienced chef at Ristorante de Excelente can make one calzone in 15 minutes, but a new cook needs half an hour to make a calzone. In addition, there must be an equal number of experienced chefs and new cooks working on each order, and Michael wants 78 calzones ready within an hour. What is the minimum total number of chefs and cooks that Ristorante de Excelente needs to complete Michael's order on time? So for this problem, we note that experienced chefs, we'll call them X, can complete one calzone in 15 minutes. And new cooks, we'll call them N, need 30 minutes for a calzone. Now, there's two ways of looking at this problem. The first way, we can see that, well, for every 2 calzones that an experienced chef finishes, right? We can do 2 in 30 minutes. Every new cook will only do 1. That means that the experienced chefs, right, will complete 2/3 of the 78 calzones that we need, which means that they need 52 calzones finished by the experienced chefs. Now, since 52 of the calzones will be made by the experienced chefs, we also know that 4 calzones can be made by each experienced chef per hour. So 52 divided by 4 gives us 13. So that means that we have 13 experienced chefs. We know that the same number of new cooks are there. So we have 13 plus 13, which gives us 26. Now, the other way we can look at this is by saying, well, each experienced chef can make 4 calzones per hour. And each new cook can make 2 calzones per hour. This means that if I had 1 experienced chef and 1 new cook, I could make 6 calzones per hour. But I need to make 78 calzones within an hour. Now, what does that mean? I need to multiply the number of chefs and new cooks that I have. So we're going to say 78 divided by 6 is equal to 13. So I need 13 times of these 6 calzones per hour. That means I need 13 times 2, because this 2 represents the pair of the experienced chef and the new cook. So that gives us 26 total people working on these calzones to get the order ready in time. So our final answer is 26.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.